Welcome. We are looking at vicsolution.com. Vicsolution.com is a platform that will guide you in creating transcription. You'll be able to create transcription services. They have industries. You have legal courts, legal law firms, criminal justice. These are transcription services that you're going to be offering in this particular platform. And if you scroll down to this platform, you find that they are offering services like verbatim transcription, rely on our unparalleled experience, expertise, and customer service. The transcription services that you're going to be offering are here on this particular section. You rely on accurate transcribed verbatim document to use as evidence in investigation, court cases, and insurance claims. The essential nature of this document makes it imperative that you know they are produced word for word and formatted in compliance with all relevant specifications. Acquiring and retaining the resources to transcribe audio files can be costly and time intensive. This is why most organizations have outsourced this critical process to experienced, reliable, easy to manage vendors. And the careers in vicsolution.com are here. You find them here. We are looking for passionate and energetic people to join our diverse culture rooted in collaboration, empowerment, and innovation. Be part of our transformation. So they are relying on you to create quality transcripts. Unleash your talent. Join our group of experienced independent contractor, typists, and editors with flexible hours and competitive rates. So if you want to learn more, just click on that and they actually will give you the process to apply. Experience matter. We are excited to continue to grow and looking for experienced editors and transcribers to join our team. Vic Solution has decades of experience delivering fast, accurate, and secure digital transcription services to provide verbatim documentation for all courts, law enforcement, criminal justice, and insurance clients around the globe. So there is a lot in which you're going to offer to this in this particular platform, which will help you also grow your career. Good. The next one we are looking at is www.audiotranscriptioncenter.com. As you can see, Audio Transcription Center for their most challenging project since 1966. Audio Transcription Center has unparalleled reputation built over 50 years of experience and service. The balance of speed and accuracy. Our clientele understands the importance of balancing speed with delivery of 99% accurate transcript. Fast isn't meaningful if a transcript isn't accurate, and we understand behind that with our 100% guarantee of complete satisfaction. We have unique to Audio Transcription Center, exceptional people and exceptional service, customer request expertly handled. Okay, if we go to the to this section of jobs of Audio Transcription Center, you find that what will you do? All transcriptionists, you as a transcriptionist, you will be making an accurate text document of the contents of audio, video, typed and handwritten material. We transcribe oral history interviews with WW2 veterans, that is the World War II veterans, women in academia, farmers, midwives, etc., focus group, financial forecast and quarterly reports, tech webinars, commencement addresses, interviews about NGO work, educational reform or health care access, or anything else you could think of, and even occasionally TV shows. What is transcriptionist in audio transcription center you'll be doing, you have to choose your own schedule. You decide when to work and how many hours you want to work. You get paid weekly, receive weekly payouts for all the tasks completed regardless of the number of hours worked. Actually, no experience required. But when it means no experience required, doesn't mean that you have to be very green. At least learn something about transcription. You just need to be an educated, fast and accurate typist with sharp hearing. So if you're an accurate typist, that means you must have learned how to type. Enjoy work variety with transcribe, oral history interviews, focus group, financial forecast, tech webinars and more. Working from home as a freelance transcriptionist. Work as a freelancer from home. Who we are looking for, they have actually told you what whom they are looking for, what they need you to have, the requirements they need you also to have, and what you will need. More so, this reliable internet connection is a must. How to get hired? There are those you need to current resume, cover letter, and so on. So this is a good platform which can help you to earn that passive income. You can even make it a full-time job because the pay is quite good, because you can see working virtually from home as a W2 employee in a greater Boston area. Our pay ranges from $15 up to $18 per hour. So if you do your arithmetics, you can find how much you can make if actually you give much time to work on this particular platform that you are calling audiotranscriptioncenter.com. Going on further, we have another very beautiful platform that we are calling WeLocalize.com. WeLocalize.com tells us transform your content and data to capture business worldwide. WeLocalize helps you to transform your content and data so that you can rapidly reach, grow and engage with global audiences. So this is for you as a person working with WeLocalize.com. You'll be helping them to actually achieve their mission and vision. And how are you going to be helping them to achieve this? You're going to help them achieve this by working with them in their platform in various jobs that actually they offer in this platform of WeLocalize.com. Now we go to career. Let us look at career, what they are saying. Transform your career. At WeLocalize, our global team is brought together by a passion for language and culture. This is what empowers our team to transform multilingual content and help global brands reach, grow and engage with international audiences. Just like I told you, it's you who will actually enable them actualize their vision. We work for some of the best companies in the world and have developed a culture of continuous learning and improvement. At WeLocalize.com, you go here, you'll find the jobs that you can work with them. You can filter them by type, on-site, hybrid and remote. Location also, if you want a specific location where you are to get the jobs of that particular location, you can see they are all here, actually very well highlighted. You just need to select the location you are at. Work type, you need a contract, you need a freelance remote, full-time or part-time, full-time only, internship. They are all there, actually very well highlighted for you. Translation, localization, interpretation, QA testing, global freelance and agency opportunities. Like now they have here Arabic, Egypt creative UI and marketing linguist, campus ambassador, Danish multimedia content editor, Dutch into Danish ads translator. So there are so many jobs that you can get on this particular platform that you are calling WeLocalize.com. So it's up to you to go there create sign up, to create an account, sign in, and start offering the services according to the jobs that you really feel you can give quality, and actually you are able to give quality job. Don't just sign up and start doing any job. Sign up and do the job that you give quality, because they are saying that they can also manage to give you a career progression. Give you an email, give them your email, and get the latest hints, tips, and career development resources direct to your inboxes. You can see they have the latest job openings here. We have corporate, freelance, and project-based jobs. So it's up to you to take that first step and actually sign up and create an account with them to start working on different jobs that will help you earn that great passive income. We are looking at gmrtranscription.com. It's a platform where you'll be offering transcription services. GMR Transcription is a one-stop transcription service provider in the US with over 7.17 million minutes of audio recorded. This one is 100% US-based human transcribers. Our transcription are located in the US, allowing us to provide you with industry-leading transcription quality, 99% accuracy guaranteed. So as a transcriber, you'll be required to actually provide good services on this platform. If we go ahead and check what the transcription types that they are having, we have academic, audio, digital, dictation, we have market research, text to text, voice, and so many of them. These are actually open opportunities for you to earn the passive income that you've been dreaming about. We have language transcription types: Spanish, Mandarin, Arabic, and so forth. They're saying transcribe better and better. So the more you give quality job on this platform, the better for you, because as you give quality, you continue being contracted to work with them, and you continue making good passive income. There are various services that you can offer. We have like here transcription, translation, editing, proofreading, and so forth. So it's up to you now as a transcriber who wants to work remotely to actually take that step. Sign up in this platform, create an account, and be able to offer services of transcription, proofreading on this gmrtranscription.com. So the ball is on your court. Make that decision and get yourself an account, which at the end of it all will start giving you passive good income using GMR transcription.